Hello guys, welcome to the channel. In this video we are talking about how to fix Lenovo Thinkpad docking station not detecting monitor. To fix a Lenovo Thinkpad docking station not detecting a monitor, you have to follow some steps. For that you have to ensure the all cable are securely connected to the docking station and the monitor. Then you have to unplug the docking station from the power and reconnect after a few seconds. After that, update the graphic and docking station driver via Lenovo Vantage or Lenovo Sport website. Then you have to go to display setting. On your laptop. First of all you have to click the settings and then go to system, and after that you go to display and ensure the monitor is detected and configured correctly. After that you have to check for update and install any firmware update for the docking station. Then you have to connect the monitor directly to the laptop to ensure the monitor and the cable are functioning properly. In BIOS, ensure that the USB Type-C or Thunderbolt setting are enabled if available. You can fix the Lenovo ThinkPad docking station not detecting monitor. And if you want to buy the product, I'll give you the link in the description. Hopefully this video help you. Thanks for watching.